Today, we're not only going to talk about Nissan's best parts announcement / delivery they've ever done, because this time they actually had the product available when they launched it. So I appreciate that. The boys on the EV side, girls on the EV side, them days on the EV side, you did a great job.
All people involved, all humans involved.
Everybody. So if you're an Ariya owner, you probably dealt with the frustrations of going to needing a charge. You pull in, it's all Tesla chargers and you can't use them. Nissan heard you. Nissan has launched a NACS. Is that how you say it? I don't know. Adapter kit. Retail on those is $235, and obviously it'll be cheaper through our website. But these are available. We have them in stock. Yeah, I mean, that's my big announcement today, and that's it. That's all you get from me. Now, Tom is going to go back in time.
Well, I'm going to add just one
I'm just kidding.
tidbit here of info regarding this NACS charger adapter. I did have a guy come in recently asking for one for his Leaf, and I did a quick search online. There was nothing available. Talked to the shop foreman upon the announcement of this adapter for the Ariya and was like, hey, will this thing work on the Leafs? He said no. He goes, and the reason they don't want it to work is because the cooling on a Leaf battery is not sufficient enough to keep it cool during charging session on a Tesla Supercharger.
Wow. Okay.
So I don't think Nissan's going to be coming up with one for at least anytime soon. So
yeah, I mean, I guess we'll probably have to wait until the new generation of Leaf comes out, and I bet it'll probably be already set up for it. I believe the Arias in the future you won't need this. This is
for existing
Arias. Yeah. But super easy. There's like a little plastic tab you have to install in your current plug that just stays in there. Then you have an adapter. Nothing to it. I mean, but Ariya owners, we love the Ariya. We got tons of parts for the Ariya's, accessories. What is, now Tom knows this, what's the number one selling Ariya accessory?
The accessory that we sell the most of is the little, what would you call it, a package tray?
A little center console cubby. Yeah. I love that thing. I think it's fantastic. I drove one around that it was installed in. I think they're great.
Is it all the way on the floor? Can you access it with?
You can reach it. It's not too bad.
Okay.
But otherwise, the floor is just like flat. So
we do sell a lot of those, and they all seem to go to Scandinavia.
Yeah.
I had a guy. I probably talked about this already, but I had a guy who ordered 6 of them. And I looked up where he was. He was in Norway, and he worked at a Nissan dealership in Norway.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's interesting. They must not have availability there.
Right.
Did you look? Did you happen to go down a rabbit hole to see if they had an accessory book?
No, I was too busy doing my real job.
Your real job, okay. Yeah, which is typically research.
All right, so we just got a call with just minutes ago from a guy who has a Datsun Roadster.
Yeah. And
he was looking for a throw-out bearing. Amazingly, the throw-out bearing is still available. It covers all Roadsters, 1.6, 2.0 liters. We can get them in a couple of days. Part number 3050214601. If you just happen to be here and you're like, oh, I need a throw-out bearing for my Roadster.
Yeah.
And you kind of do. I mean, it is a wear item. They do eventually go bad. And it's good to have an OEM Nissan one on hand for when that day does happen. Now, if you go to our website, we'll have a tab there. It says Our Catalog.
Yep.
Click on that, and then you'll see a plethora of icons. Scroll down a little bit. You'll see the Datsun script. Click on that. We have 3 very long pages of Datsun parts. I just grabbed a handful on the way in here.
Yeah.
I don't know how well this is going to show up on screen. But
those are
very cool Datsun script there.
Is that one plastic or metal?
It's chrome plated plastic, but
it's not one of the heavy
on here. I bet you it's magnetic because it's pretty thick chrome job they put on there.
Okay.
I'm not going to give you part numbers. It's just to kind of entice you to go look at our Datsun section.
Yeah, check it out.
How about this? Who knew these were still available?
Love those.
Front lamps for the Roadster again.
Yeah.
Right? Comes with the bezel on it. Correct markings. Koito brand, made in Japan. Date stamp 67 to keep it authentic looking. Radiator cap, this is not going to show it well. This one's got the little vent button on top. This is for lots of Datsuns, 510s, Roasters. And finally, this bad boy right here.
Here's Louise.
This is the big old Nissan or Datsun filter. Grab a hold of that and tell me what you think.
Yeah, this is meat. This has all the filter media in it.
How much do you think that weighs? I weighed it before I came in here.
I'm gonna guess like 1.2 pounds.
Dude, you're so close. 1.25 pounds.
Okay, yeah. I mean,
Oil filter.
I was like, it's at least a pound. I mean, you don't see oil filters this big on anything now unless it's like a big engine gasoline truck or a diesel.
Right.
And then the diesel ones usually get a little bit longer than that.
But we got a bunch of these on hand. Check it out.
Yeah.
Plan ahead. Stock up.
Yeah, I think in our next video, you Ariya owners come back. Me and Tom are going to take the adapter to a Tesla Supercharger and test it out, see if it actually works.
Oh, nice.
Got to put proof in the pudding.
This will be good because I've never done anything with electric vehicles.
Well, great. Yeah, it's a fun experience. My first experience, I wanted to break so many things until I finally got it all figured out. One of them was pulling up to a Tesla charger because it popped up on the little locator thing saying it was a regular charger and not being able to use it in Ariya, being out of town.
What level of panic did you reach at that point?
I mean, it wasn't too bad because we still had some charge, but at that point it was like, okay, we're just wasting time now. And then I had to take it 30 minutes out of town. I was like, I'm leaving. Anyway, I've told that story before. I'm not going to tell it again.
Never get tired of hearing it. I feel like I was there now. I heard the story so much.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for hanging out with us. Leave a like if you want to. You can subscribe if you want to. I enjoyed the comments.
Yeah, I love the comments too, especially when you guys give us some little bit of a insight into what you got going on. Somebody commented just recently, some lady, she was like, oh, I'm an old lady and I still drive my, 95 hard body or whatever, which I thought was really cool.
Yeah.
I love seeing a hard body on the road. It's like the best thing ever. But
all right. Have a great weekend and we will see you next week.